What's up gamers, this is Shepard, and I would love to share with you today a video that I made at a LAN that we had recently. A 12-man LAN, me and some friends and family got together at my place. We had this LAN, for shits and giggles we decided to fuck around on Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare, but that is the first Modern Warfare. So we decided to go with the shipment map, and we had an all-out shotgun battle. Now, this request for the video was made by my friends and family who joined the LAN, so I promised them I'd make a recording and then eventually put it online. So, I didn't record any audio at that point. I didn't have my mic with me. I just opened up my recording software and I just decided to record this one round. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually dominated this specific round, obviously, haha. I'm not going to put on a video where I sucked. But yeah, this went actually really well, but it doesn't matter who won, who lost. This was amazing. It was a lot of fun. We usually do this with knife battles as well. With the next LAN, I think I'll make a recording and put that guys online for you as well. So, hope you enjoy this. Check it out. It is friggin' awesome. We loved it. We really had a lot of fun. We had some rules though. No grenades, no martyrdom, no dropping grenades, no flashbangs, none of that crap. No calling in airstrikes or choppers. You could just call in UAVs and, yeah, blast everyone you laid your eyes upon. It was amazing. It was a lot of fun. I would recommend this for anyone. It is really amazing. It was a lot of fun. We had crazy laughs. Not a minute went by where somebody didn't laugh. Nobody got angry. It's just a lot of fun. It's crazy. It's absolute madness. The funny moments we had where you unload a complete an entire magazine on someone and you don't hit anyone, or you dance around each other. It was absolute madness. It was crazy. We loved it. I was laughing so hard at some point I couldn't breathe, but it was fun. It was really a lot of fun. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, there we actually had someone who accidentally called in their airstrike. But once again, a lot of fun. It was a little bit madness. Everyone was running for cover. But if I remember correctly, nobody actually got killed there in that airstrike, which is a damn miracle because you got 12 people running around on this shoebox-sized map. So yeah, that was pretty cool. But I believe that was the first and the last time that anyone called in an airstrike. Yeah, killed by Rainia. That would be my darling wife's gamer name. And you'll actually notice that she ends my kill streak a couple of times. Darn woman. Love her to bits. She's not that much of a gamer, but she joins us on LANs. And she's actually a damn good player. Love her so much. Really enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun. And yeah, I got my revenge now and then. And then she just came and got her revenge again. So yeah, great fun. Killed by Rainia, again. She just loves ending my kill streak. Yeah, Blair Bitch, one of our good friends. Rebel, also another good friend of mine. Huge gamer. Leo, my brother-in-law. Yeah, we also ran into each other a couple of times. Ah! There I got my revenge. Ah, crap. Okay. What the? I actually picked up somebody else's shotgun there. I didn't even know that. How the heck did that happen? Ah, brother-in-law avenges his sister. Yeah, I got my kill streak interrupted a couple of times. Ah, there we go, Rainio once again. Love you, sweetie. Damn woman. If I can give some advice to anyone attempting this, make sure you unlock the grip for your W1200 shotgun. That foregrip, it really helps a lot with hipfire accuracy. You'll see some of my shots I took at quite a distance. Sometimes it completely failed, other times it actually paid off. I got a lucky shot. But yeah, grip, definitely. That really helps. And you'll notice a lot of us were really low level around here. If you do see someone's level, a lot of us were really low level here. We haven't really played much. There are like a few level 5, level 6 players here and there, level 11 or 16 or something. And when you rank high enough, you actually get a perk, Sleight of Hand, which helps you reload a lot faster. So, yeah, one of the best combinations you can have on a shotgun battle like this would be the foregrip on the shotgun and then Sleight of Hand. At some point later, I think it's somewhere in rank 30 or 34 or something, you unlock a semi-automatic shotgun that shoots really fast, but it only has four rounds in the magazine. So yeah, it helps. You can get a lot of consecutive kills with it, you know, if you got enough people lined up. But yeah, if you get trigger happy and you get in a situation where you dance around someone and you just cannot hit anything, it actually screws you a bit because you run out of ammo really fast. Although the Sleight of Hand perk helps a lot because then you reload a little bit faster. But personally, I've had the semi-automatic shotgun in a shotgun round like this before, and I don't know. I prefer the W1200. You know, this pump action shotgun with Sleight of Hand and with the foregrip for increased hipfire accuracy. It's perfect. I mean, it's more than good enough for me. It works. The reloading isn't that slow, but yeah. Ah, crap. That sucked. But yeah, I personally wouldn't recommend the semi-automatic shotgun. It, I don't know, when you get stuck in a situation where you dance around someone, you just get too trigger happy. And you just hammer that left mouse button and you run out of ammo so quickly. The pump action shotgun, you know, forcing you to reload, actually it forces you to also concentrate where your next shot will be. You know, you're not just hammering the button and just shooting, going crazy. So I would definitely recommend this one. Yeah, I mean, Sleight of Hand kind of solves your problem of reloading in the middle of a fight. Craziness, absolute craziness. Ah, and the wife ends the kill streak again. Again? Really? I should have counted this. Ah! Got my revenge. For a brief moment. Oh, finally got one. Well, that didn't go too bad. See, that reloading really screws you if you can't reload fast enough. Okay, that was absolute crazy. I just spawned there. You see what I mean about the dancing around someone and taking a while to hit anything? Oh, absolute craziness. Ah, and that was it. Absolutely amazing. I actually won that. It was really a lot of fun. It was great. Guys, please let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more stuff like this. More screwing around in old games. It's really a lot of fun. I would recommend it for anyone. It was great. Let's see if there was where's the scoreboard? Come on, give us come on. Skip that. Give me a scoreboard. Ah well. Yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment, whatever. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.